Ayodi is a tale of a young man that was trying to destroy the spirit of curses. As you can see, he was trying all his best and he has prepared, but unfortunately for him, the spirit of curses eventually overpowered him. But he was miraculously helped by another being and he defeated the spirit of curses, and that was the end. This being also tried to revive this young man back to life. And in this tale, the young man was seen prospering because he has destroyed the spirit of curses. Please like, subscribe, comment if you like to receive videos like this. Of course, it is the movie that talks about the natural and the supernatural, and it also opens the eyes of the viewers to activities that are going on in the spiritual realm that is also controlling the physical realm also.